Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix your Snapchat camera quality. So at first go to Snapchat, then go to your profile. From there go to your settings. Now scroll down all the way until you see it says clear cache. So tap on it and then continue, and it says successfully cleared cache. After that, go to Google Play Store, into Snapchat, and make sure it's updated, and then long press on Snapchat, go to app info, go to storage usage, clear the cache, clear the data, force stop the app, and then restart your phone. And then once you get in Snapchat, the app should be working fine for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.